Hey, what's happening, guys? Happy New Year's from Japan. This DMilliz, guys. So thought I'd give you just a bit of Japanese culture. So here we are, guys, at the Japanese temple, New Year's Day, and you know, people are saying their prayers. They wash their hands first, of course. Then they say some prayers to Buddha, I guess. Buddha. So it's a real spiritual vibe here in Japan, the 1st of January, yeah? So it's a long line, but you know, we already did our prayers, guys. So thank God for that, guys. All right, we out, guys. So take a look at the clips.